Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie. I am the teacher, author, and veteran special education teacher behind Mrs. D's Corner, the Intentional IEP, and Adapted Book Club, which is the reason that you're here. To learn more about how to get access to over 1,500 printable and digital adapted books in both Level 1 and Level 2. I'm going to show you in this video the look inside Adapted Book Club, what it looks like, how to navigate it, and everything that is included. Let's go. Once you join Adapted Book Club, you're going to get an email with your login. Once you're logged in, this is what you're going to see. Depending upon the month of which you join, you're going to have access to that month's specific brand new books inside of Adapted Book Club. These books are not available anywhere else, and they are brand new for that month. So let's see what's brand new in September of 2024. These books will leave this portal from the September portal and move into the Adapted Book Club library in 3 months. So in November 1st, these books will be put into the Adapted Book Club library and you'll get access to a brand new month of resources. So to access any of the books, you're going to click on the book itself, click download here, and then you're going to find all of the books here. So here you have the book itself, the printable Level 1 and Level 2. Here is the printable comprehension test, and then here are the PDF instructions with the digital links to add them to your Google Drive and use them as digital adapted books. All of the books inside of Adapted Book Club library work that same way. So let's go back into the Adapted Book Club library. So November 1st, these books are going to move into here. This is where you will find all of the other books inside of Adapted Book Club. All of the books from our Teachers Pay Teachers store are included in here, as well as about 400 extras so far at the time of this video that are exclusives inside of Adapted Book Club. You cannot and will not find them anywhere else except for in here. If a book is a bundle, you will see it labeled as a bundle. So to access it, you just click on the bundle. You're going to open it up and you will download it the same way that you downloaded the other books that I showed you. You click and have all of your downloads. The downloads can also be found up here. If you don't see them below, you're going to download them here from the top. Now, to search within Adapted Book Club, you're going to click these two little arrows over here and search for something. So let's say I'm working on hot and cold. I'm going to pull up the book for hot and cold because I know that we have one. You're going to click read more, and then you're going to download that book from within the bundle that it's in, but it does search within bundles. Again, you're going to find them here. Now, you can access all of the books inside of this library here on the side, or you can access them, let me X out of this, you can access them here through the visual way. And you can click next, and if you wanted to go to, say, page 6 instead of page 2, once it refreshes, you can just add page 6 and it will go to that specific page. You're going to see lots and lots of adapted books inside of Adapted Book Club. Now, you also have access to what we call our Adapted Book Club Academy. This is where you're going to find a welcome video, as well as that welcome video is in the library as well, how to navigate, how to search, all of the things that you need in getting started with your membership. You're also going to find additional instructional videos, how to put a good digital book in your Google Drive, how to prep a printable book, how to print a mini, how to print in grayscale, all the different things. You're also going to see the Adapted Book Club master list that we update every single month when new books are added. You're going to find those Adapted Book Club worksheets, which are exclusive to Adapted Book Club. You can use them with many different books. They're generalized so that you can use them with many different adapted books. And the storage bin labels, which you can see here. If you loved what you saw here, I would love for you to join Adapted Book Club membership and join us inside of ABC. Every month, on the first of every month, you're going to get access to your brand new portal of that month's books. 4 new books at minimum are added every single month inside of Adapted Book Club. You get them in print form, in digital form, and in a Level 1 and a Level 2. So you're really getting 4 titles of books in 4 different ways. So Level 1 print, Level 2 print, Level 1 digital, Level 2 digital, and you get the comprehension tests that go along with them. Along with that, again, don't forget you have access to the exclusive worksheets that go along with the adapted books, as well as the storage bin labels. If you're ready to join Adapted Book Club and make a huge change in your reading and learning about all different topics, not just ELA topics, inside of your special education classroom, I welcome you. I'm rolling out the red carpet to join Adapted Book Club. You're going to find the link for Adapted Book Club to learn more, but also to join Adapted Book Club linked below this video. I can't wait to see you there.